Yes, and for Express GATV is your host, Lucky. And I want to make a dear message saying that your first time, that's when you subscribe. I message also be subscribing to this YouTube channel. Remember, we send notification bell. All those I be hit to swam and the beboa. And my update be also one side. I can watch it in the form of alternative. We are in here, Papa. I'm not say now. Young call young some as way. Minia and then some the Ebeka Crab Abekans and the Unim Express GATV send the ACS no. A kitty whistle. Na enye dodo ewura reaction bebre ababonti na de dimutintima eya brante fese Charles ama Mensa Junior Shatawale ni sem bia waba abeka fa yes akode Stoneboy and medical so ka ho ene Ghana media entertainment no so eho no na Express GATV ye de baba sum ye viewers na de wo se ye de ka ho no so e de aka ho so e de ama ye viewers ni nyina ne se eye maame efrese Queen Afias Wasnega eba be kan sem bi sen Anas Aremeyaw Anas Ghanaians are calling you at Takoradi kidnapping saga aftermath. By the way, where can I buy chinkamfa in Kumirika and all this answer at the by way Afias Wasnega say wo call eye my pai first Anas Aremeyaw say won kwa investigation e was ade we mu investigation ben and a change the ababa one account. If you are Swasnega, you are being hypocrite. With me a Western Regional Minister, not them saying it was a attempt the dear party no. Now, can say social media no, and they go a bit my ass. I know also could delete post no. Suppose no delete because when him say not and void. What I say when him say idea here. Sometimes more quick judge do. One information is that kind, you know, and not the man, you know, and so offer who could dinner tell me yeah. When him so you'll be cool now, so you'll be papa. Won't say when they announce I don't be our friend. Information be anywhere change dear papa Nankasa and I said ya baba Nankasa. I can't dear funeral numino. If you say Bibiano, as is Zabiano, you nipper the sunny, and then I want 20 year, ye. Now ye call some so dear, and ye papa bia, ye dear Saka, HSN. Post Ghana for and the post to Sadia we HSN was say, and now 84 years old man who vanished in 1974 has returned home and expressed disappointment that the two wives he left behind could not wait for him over the 47 years. And on a kind of son, papa, you wait there was say discussing papa. What got for what tell baby for almost 47 good years. 1 year, you need baby. I want to nam. Now, I was saying, man, also a train sending and can also be bam. Papa, we power some work and put them. I was like a bapa. And I can also call to him and so you're the chow. And there's some now kind of sound. Now come on to home to other or more to talk. Oh dear, 1 day could I win ya, 2 days could I add. You'll be crying in the them, quote me, crown of send will be bound out the way, and I will come. What you say? Now, Minia Obi and Ponsa, so there's some reaction based with the above. Was a was say NDC people want her pregnant. What I say NDC for a person when you and MP people say he is not, and MP people also say when you we are kidnappers for no yash no NDC for say one yam and MP people also say one yam because almost we defend send a bear sending acrophobic as a security and some naya basano and conquer sir. Charles Niama Mensa Junior Shatawale na yabo running semuno na Shatawale ababonta beka asemi dia chere Ghana media abopon krofobia baso was omo se no mo fata baso body menum yenu yan semre no ye kwa kohwe no for life ye kwa kotie no life won sema ono so wode man bia me the some small reaction so e dia tato so e dia ma ye kotie Shatawale so emra.
I hear a whole lot of statements from this people they call themselves entertainment people. Me sometimes if I talk the media, then go affect politics and be the media. Is it the entertainment media? Make I just make myself well clear. Make I make some people understand. Those people who do entertainment programs, entertainment blogging, entertainment talking, entertainment fucking, entertainment walking, entertainment blocking, entertainment stupid things. No, they use some word for me, Shatawale. Where I know they like. You know what I'm saying? That word alone. If matter come for Ghana, you go see some foolish young boy where you don't know nothing about entertainment, but they put them for table. Some table, then they put water for top, make they can't talk. Then you go to talk some nonsense, stupid things. If I listen, I say I'm like, yo, why? where this one to come from? What, like, how this thing to come about? This word did they use way I want make a share with you people. You see that word anytime they will talk, and Shatta Wale he attacks. Shatta Wale has been attacking. Shatta Wale attack. Bad man. If he be attack, you want talk attack. Clear that thing. Because if it's stupid, say as we did, and they always talk about something about this nonsense. Same way I can't find myself say they say it be music industry. Nonsense. Where people know they even think like human beings for them. Then they could use some words for me in my talk. But they know we just sit down and check growth. And I talk this every time. Because they know they check growth of an artist. I won't take this opportunity and tell somebody like Sarkodie, say it try. It try for himself. Is this Stonebwoy? It try. These two people. If I go out, me now my son, medical, it try. Just to person, it do it try. The reason why they talk this thing is a bad man. It not be music. Come and sing and go. Be the tune. If the little money they make and what they invest them into. Sarkodie do say. Stonebwoy do say. Anokuswado do say. Medical do say. The little we get, where we they invest into ourselves. We try. The industry, they come do this thing, they come push this thing, they come to, but I won't talk, say they try because the force on with the force, they need to watch Sarkodie in growth. May they give them this up to now, some people go fit their radio, then they fit talk, the thing they feel say Sarkodie for the do, the thing they feel say, bad man, it's all, it became people they were with the teeth people and things, but sometimes, you see when they go off limits, if I don't say they go off limits, of course, if I don't say they go, of course. But all those people try. You know they give them respect. That's why they know they see say me I try. So media my talking be. Shatta Wale has been attacking. He has been attacking. Charlie, I know they wake up morning and just come out for outside and just attack people. And I won't give you people a sample from day one. The disrespect. And today I tell everybody, anybody will get pen and paper, make you write this thing down. Say this is the reason why me, from my days of bandana, I tell myself, say, if these people don't know, because the disrespect.
Yes, meaning how they Shatta Wale bet to me akano and on so I can afasa akwa the Ghana media, especially entertainment media no. Or can some different entertainment media no ewiase no. No kura pa ne say baabi abone bia won papa or it a risk. E ma ne hete eye bone ne kwa because e won krofo bi ho mo so eye papa through o mo so mo aboam ama sam eye musician for being so atimi afọ mo time ba because so mo say akaya kura dey aka minim baabi aka music industry so be kwa sometimes no so hete o mo harder ye won krofo bi won so eye o mo aba so because enye entertainment pandit for no enye entertainment media for no kwa enye o mu nyina ena sabe o mo nye na mum ye o papa so ede ewom subscribe for say notification bell no so share like comment e be bo anso ma bia so atimi akoso wano me twa kusi na wase share obo say e be share bi macrow